This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your input. Make sure each cell contains numbers and no text. Once done, click the cell where you want the result and type equals product. This tells Excel to multiply values. Next, drag to select a contiguous range or hold Control and click non-contiguous cells. You can also type values separated by commas. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel returns the product. If any cell is blank, Excel treats it as 0, so clear blanks. Once you have the basic product, expand to complex inputs. You can combine ranges and constants. For example, equals product, A1, A320. 5 multiplies the range by 2 1/2. If some cells contain text or errors, make sure to convert or filter them, for instance wrap values with N, or use IF to replace text with 1 so it won't zero the result. Also, use Control plus Shift plus Enter only for legacy array needs. Modern Excel finalize by formatting the result cell so your product displays with correct decimals or scientific format. This matters for very large or small outcomes. Once done, verify inputs. A single 0 returns 0 and any text or hash value will break the formula. Replace or convert those entries. If you must ignore zeros or errors, filter or use aggregate/filter to supply only valid numbers to product. If results look wrong, scan for hidden zeros or accidental text in numeric cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.